Okay, hopefully y'all can hear me. What's up, y'all? It's Daniel. Just trying to make sure that I get you guys going as quickly as possible. I know we're having connection issues and stuff, so no problem. So here we go. So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do as far as installing Blender and getting it ready with Sketchfab plugins, so you can load all the 3D models that you want inside of a free 3D model building program that we're going to use for future projects. Okay, so anyway, what I did is I went to the Blender website. Okay, you go to blender.org, right? Download. Okay, and then we go to download over here. Come down and whatever system you have, this works on all devices and it's fully open source. You can always donate. I highly recommend donating to these guys. They're an amazing project and this has been around for a long time and it's almost, if not better than most enterprise softwares that I've played with. So okay, so once we get the download done, I've already done it, so I just wanted to show you where that was at. We're going to click Blender and get it installed for Windows. My Mac and Linux friends, if you have an issue, you call me and we'll get it landed, okay? Uh, so we'll go over here, install, real simple. Here we go. So you hit next. It's there. We want to go to GitHub, github.com, and I want you to type in Sketchfab Blender plugin. Okay. And what Sketchfab is, it's just this cool little website where you can find some 3D models for free, be able to drop this into a cool little world and, really do something cool with some ideas. Okay. So all these models, not all of them are for free, right? Like you can click some of these and, the artist is charging and then some of them they're not. But we're going to have a cool plugin now that will take this and put it inside of an application where you can play with it, you can animate it, you can do anything that you want with it. Okay. So we're back over here. We're installing Blender. Looks like it's got done. So we'll hit finish. And then once it finishes, so Sketchfab for Blender plugin, you'll find this on GitHub. Just try to find it. Sketchfab plugin GitHub. Okay. And you do this for Google and it makes it go right to the right one. Okay. That's not usually the case for Google, obviously. Then you click here, and now we're back to the page of where we were, right? And we get this zip. This can change, so just try to find the plugin the best you can. Get it in your downloads folder. Once we save it, and Blender has done installing, we can open Blender. We see that it downloaded there in the browser, so that's good. Then Blender opens up, and this is just kind of like you want to start with general, just to kind of get a page going. And it starts you off with a nice little light, a little camera with the right angle that's facing the object, and this little square, right? So we can take these out for now. We don't need them, but this is the three pieces that you need to start a scene, is what they call this whole, deal here. Use the middle mouse button to be able to kind of zoom around and do what you need to do, right? And all you have to do is just kind of get a clean canvas to start, and you can zoom out or zoom in depending on the size. Now, listen, if you zoom out and it turns like blank like this, right, it just means that your camera over here in this little open spot, if you go to view and then increase this to like, let's just say 10,000 or 100,000, it'll make it to where you can go farther and farther out. And then if you need to go in close, you can, right? So it just gives you a bigger view space for the canvas. Okay. Awesome. So next, we're going to go ahead and go to the edit page, right? Or under edit, you go to preferences, and then you go to add-ons, okay? And then you click right up here to this little arrow, and you say install from disk. And we're just going to look for our downloads folder. We're going to install the Sketchfab plugin that we just installed, right? And you keep it zip. You don't have to unzip it. Just click that. And then you'll have Sketchfab usually turn up right here, right? So it'll be unchecked. You just go right here, you check it, and then you go ahead and close, right? And what that does is it opens this little window here in the same window as your view to make your view bigger, right? And you go to Sketchfab, and now you just go and log in with a Sketchfab account. And if you don't have a Sketchfab account, it's totally free. You just go to your little page and then you just join for free. It's really simple. You just set up a normal account. You can log in with Google. It's awesome. And then once you get done, you log in, you got your Google deal going. So now any page that we want to try out, any of these models, we totally can for free. Okay. I'm going to end the video here just so that everybody has this good starting point where we're at right now. I'm going to create another video to show here in a minute how we can go and now add these new models, whatever idea you have, to your project through the new plugin in Blender.
So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, Eagles.